What is up, family? The master trader himself here from Trading Billions Academy. I'm so excited today because I'm going to show you a way you can make money from Deriv without trading. Yes, you can make money without trading. So ensure that you subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed to the channel. Hit that icon bell so that you can be notified each and every time I drop a new video, and ensure that you like the video so that it can reach out to many people like you want to make money online through Deriv. So that's the thing. So Deriv is a broker, is a forex broker that you use to trade. So there are a couple of ways that you can make money from Deriv, and one of them is what I'm about to show you now. Okay, so if you're not a trader, you don't trade, you can still make money through Deriv, and this is how you go about it, in the sense that you need to apply to be a partner with Deriv, whereby you become a partner with Deriv. You scroll down here, there are a number of partnership you can do with Deriv. So you come on partner, you can be an affiliate, a partner, where whatsoever you refer to Deriv, they give you a commission. Or you can actually be a pay agent, whereby if at all somebody wants to make a withdrawal, wants to make a deposit, you can work as an agent. So basically these are the two ways that you can easily make money with Deriv. These other ones, they're a bit complex, but the ones that everybody can do, you can be an affiliate. So that's the thing. So I'm going to show you on how you can get your affiliate link with Deriv after doing your application. So you click on affiliate if you want to be an affiliate. So you can sign up here. You do the sign up process. If you have not watched the video now, you can sign up. Please watch the video now, you can sign up. So after signing up, Deriv will actually send an email to you to say that you can now be an affiliate, like partner. You can refer people and will give you a commission to the people that you refer. So that's the thing. So if you're already a partner, you just come on a login. A number of you are already partners, but the problem is how to find the link. That's where people get to have a challenge. So for example, here it will be displaying how much you have made so far with Deriv. So for example, with this my account, I've made nothing here. That's where your amount will be showing. If you refer somebody, your amount will be showing here. You can make a withdrawal, you can make everything. So that's the thing. So for today, I've not yet referred anybody, but if you're watching this video, ensure that you use the link in the description below so that you can be my affiliate, so that I can get a commission out of you joining Deriv. So that's the thing. So use my link, guys. So that's the thing. So you come on marketing here. You come on marketing. A lot of people start scrolling here trying to find, where can I find an affiliate link? So you come on marketing if you want to get your link. Then you come on direct link here, direct links here. Then you come on get media code. Then after doing a direct one, then you come on all media. After you do your direct link, you come on all media here, the first option, all media. Then you come on get media code. So there is view media, so get media code. So your affiliate link is actually here, down here, there. So you can get this one, then copy the link and share with your friend, and the moment your friend uses this link to join Deriv, the commission will show here after the person has joined Deriv. So what you can basically do, if at all you don't want this long link, just come on bit.ly.com is a platform where you can shorten your link, because as you have seen, the link is just way too long. So some people be skeptical about getting this your link, this whole thing. Then you give to somebody, they will be skeptical to actually use your link. So that's the thing. So you come on a Bitly. So that's the spelling there, Bitay, Bitly. So it's a platform. I don't know what's wrong with my internet. It's a platform where you get to shorten your link, so that when you give it to your friend, it will look a little bit good. So that's the thing. Just a minute, wait for it to load. So that's the thing. So you can refer your friends, you can make money through referring your friends. And in the next video, watch how you can make money by being an agent, where you can be making withdrawals and deposits on behalf of people, where people would send you money and you can make withdrawals and all that. I don't know what's wrong with my network, but so that's the thing. So I don't know what's wrong with this network. So you can come on Bitly and you shorten your link and all that, then you send that link to your friends. So basically that's it. I don't know what's wrong with Bitly. I wanted to show you how you can shorten your link. So it's a easy way. It's a easy way to shorten your link. I don't know if it will load. It's an easy way. You just put your link there, your long link. Yes, it's there. That's opened. So you come here, shorten your link. You paste your link that you got from Deriv. You shorten the link. You click on shorten and you copy it. There it is. So I want to use this one. You copy it like that. This one here, you copy it. There you go. You just copy it there. This one, this link here is now shortened to that one, and you copy it and you share the link with your friends. You share your link on your YouTube videos. You can share your link with your friends and your loved ones, and you make money just like that by referring others to use the platform. Thank you so much for watching, and ensure that you like the video. Love you so much. The Master Trader here. See you.